Alright, so you've got your real estate license. Congratulations. But now you might be wondering, what's next? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Today we'll walk you through 7 essential steps to kickstart your real estate career the right way. This video will set you up for success. Grab a pen, take some notes, and let's get to it. Step 1. Understand your license. Your real estate license isn't just a certificate, it's your golden ticket to a new career. But do you actually know everything it allows you to do? You can, for 1, represent buyer and sellers by helping clients buy or sell their homes. 2, do leasing services, match landlords with tenants or renters with properties. Or 3, do property management, handle day-to-day operations for property owners. But here's the catch. You're not a lone wolf. As an agent, you'll need to work under a broker's supervision. Brokers have more experience and can run their own firms. Last, to completely understand your license, research your state-specific requirements, licensing, rules, fees, and continuing education obligations. These all can vary state to state. Step 2. Never stop learning. Your license isn't a set it and forget it deal. You'll need ongoing education to stay compliant and competitive. So be sure to schedule mandatory training, look for online courses and local workshops, choose topics that align with your career goals like luxury sales, property management, or commercial real estate. Stay educated, keep your skills sharp, and your clients confident in your expertise. Step 3. Choose the right brokerage. This is huge. Your brokerage is your home base, your support system, and your springboard for success. When picking a brokerage, ask yourself, do they offer training and mentorship? What's their commission structure? Do they have a strong support system in place? Make a pros and cons list, research online reviews, and choose a brokerage that aligns with your values and career goals. Pro tip, a great brokerage isn't just about the money, it's about the resources, community, and support they offer. By the way, I'm Doug Smart with Smart Agent Alliance at eXp Realty. When you join our free team, you get everything eXp offers, plus more free value than anyone else in the real estate industry is offering. If you haven't checked out our free benefits page on our website, you're missing out. So join us as others are doing nearly every day. Click the link in the description to find out why. Step 4. Build your business plan. Real estate isn't just about showing homes, it's a business, and every successful business starts with a solid plan. Outline your goals, short-term and long-term, plan your marketing strategy, social media, open houses, email campaigns. Create a timeline for hitting milestones, like closing your first deal or reaching a yearly income goal. Having a clear roadmap keeps you focused, motivated, and on track. Pro tip, review and adjust your plan regularly as the market and your goals evolve. Step 5. Establish your professional presence. Your presence, both online and offline, matters. This is how you'll attract and retain clients. Build a personal brand. Decide who your ideal client is. First-time buyers, luxury clients, or investors. Design professional marketing materials, business cards, brochures, and branded social media graphics. Develop an elevator pitch, a short, punchy intro about you, who you are, and what you offer. When people think of real estate in your area, your name should be the first one that pops up in their heads. Pro tip, consistency is key. Make sure your website, social media, and in-person messaging all align with your brand identity. Step 6. Network like a pro. In real estate, your network is your net worth. Attend social networking events and conferences. Join local professional organizations and surround yourself with the right people, like mentors, seasoned agents, and other industry professionals. Their insights and connections can fast-track your success. And don't forget to stay in touch with your existing network, the one you already have. Regular follow-ups and check-ins keep you top of mind. Step 7. Master online marketing. Your digital presence is just as important as your in-person hustle. Build a professional website. Showcase your listings, testimonials, and services. Optimize it for SEO. Use keywords like top realtor in your city to make your site discoverable. Start email marketing. Share market updates, new listings, and helpful real estate tips. And of course, use social media strategically. Share engaging property photos and videos, post valuable content regularly, run targeted ad campaigns to attract local buyers and sellers. Online visibility builds trust and keeps you in front of your audience 24/7. Step 8. Deliver exceptional customer service. Great service isn't optional, it's everything. What should you do? 1. Communicate proactively. Keep clients updated every step of the way. 2. Exceed expectations. Go above and beyond whenever possible. And 3. Request feedback. Use it to refine your approach and grow your business. Happy clients become repeat clients, and they'll refer you to their friends and family. Pro tip, word of mouth is one of the most powerful tools in real estate. Treat every client like your only client. Step 9. track your progress, and stay adaptable. Data doesn't lie. Track your success, failures, and everything in between. Keep a record of your transactions, learn from patterns, and adjust your strategy as needed. Real estate is an ever-changing market. Stay flexible, stay informed, and don't be afraid to pivot your strategy when necessary. And remember, celebrate your wins. Step 10, balance work and life. Real estate can be all-consuming if you let it, but burnout won't help your career. Set clear work hours and stick to them. Prioritize self-care, exercise, hobbies, and time with loved ones. Take regular breaks to recharge. You can't pour from an empty cup. Balance is the key to long success. There you have it, the 10 essential steps to launch your real estate career with confidence and clarity. Ready to take action? Hit that thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop your biggest takeaway in the comments below. Your real estate success story starts now, and to learn more about eXp Realty and our free sponsorship team, here's some more videos which should show up right about now. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.